In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a ConvertKit template. We'll walk through the process from choosing a template to customizing the content and layout so it fits your brand and your message. By the end, you'll feel comfortable jumping into the ConvertKit editor and making it your own. First, log into your ConvertKit account. Once you're in, look toward the top of the screen for the main navigation menu. Find the option labeled Send and click on it. A drop-down will appear, and from that list, choose Email Templates. This is where all of your email designs live. On the top right of the Templates page, click the button that says New Email Template. ConvertKit will now show you a gallery of different template designs. You can use the filters on the left side to narrow down the options, for example, by style or layout, so you don't have to scroll through everything. Take a moment to browse and pick a template that's close to the look and structure you want. Once you've decided, simply click on that template and it will open in the editor. Inside the editor, you'll see a live preview of your email in the center or left side of the screen, and on the right side, you'll see the editing options. Think of the preview as what your subscribers will see, and the right sidebar as your control panel. Every part of the email is made up of blocks. If you want to edit a specific block, click it directly in the preview. When you do that, its styling options, such as padding, background color, or alignment, will appear on the right sidebar. If the block contains text, click directly on the text in the preview and start typing to change it. A small text toolbar will appear above the preview, allowing you to format the text, add links, adjust headings, and more. This lets you see your changes in real time, exactly as they will appear in the final email. If you want to remove a block, click on it in the preview. On the right side of that block, you'll see a trash icon. Click the trash icon to delete the block from your template. To change the order of your content, use the up and down arrows that appear on the right side of the block to move it higher or lower in the layout. To add a new block, click near the area where you want the new content to appear. You'll see a black plus icon show up. Click that plus icon and a drop-down of block options will open, such as text, images, buttons, or dividers. Choose the type of block you want, and it will be inserted into your email, ready for you to customize just like the others.